What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So a little bit of pullback in the market, and for our friend Gala, sitting at 0.02568, down 7.5 on the day. Market cap 909 million, 24 volume 371 million. So if we pop into the chart, we have a leading diagonal 5 wave to the upside, and now we're going through a pullback. So most likely you'll put in a little bit of an ABC correction, come down to our target zone in between 0.02255 and 0.01753 before the next leg up back to the upside. As we can see on the daily chart, nice breakout of this inverse head and shoulders. So we come back to retest it at about 0.023 before continuation up to the technical target of 0.04411 and this major level of resistance. It can happen very, very quickly. So definitely a good opportunity to get into Gala on this pullback if you're not already invested, in my opinion, not financial advice. So look for a little ABC correction, could last a little while. These corrections can be long and boring. Look for a bounce from this zone and then continuation back to the upside, and continuing with this pattern all the way up. As you can see, we're printing the bullish cross all the way up to 0.04411. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, my forex trades, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day every day. You can have completely free access with a sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I do my trading. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in the US and Canada. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Once you sign up through my link, all you need to do is sign up. Takes 30 seconds. Send me an email and I will give you the link that gives you completely free access to my group of almost 3,000 members, where you get free analysis signals, all kinds of signals from one of our members as well, that's posting all day long. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.